Well, first it's sunny and then it pours with rain and now it's sunny again. So yeah, let's take a risk and go out. Just hope a little bit of wind comes up soon. Waiting for the wind. The droning of an aircraft overhead. What a peaceful day. Interesting sky. Yeah, all sorts of layers going on here. Looks like the northeast is coming in. I can see ripples in the distance, and that yacht over there seems to be moving along now, so that's good news. Should be on the go fairly shortly. It's about 30 degrees out here at the moment, so a bit of breeze is going to have many good effects, I think. And yeah, those interesting clouds still. Lots of stuff going on up there. Watching out for thunderstorms at the same time. Looking good. Here come the ripples. Oh yes, I'm starting to feel it now. This is good. Oh, it looks like somebody's getting a tow down the channel there by the old marine rescue, so yeah, obviously got into a bit of mischief. Oh yes, I'm feeling it now. You can see the ripples around the boat. Lovely jubbly. Oh, it's just nice on the temperature side too. Blow some of that heat away. Anyway, shortly going to be watching another boat race from this boat. America's Cup starts in about 40 minutes, I believe. Anyway, what a day. Puttering along here nicely. Yeah, we've got a maritime boat over here just coming past. Going along nicely now. Just Gosford up ahead. And oh look, we got Saturn up there in the clouds too. Yeah, it's a beautiful day out here now. We are coming into Gosford. I think there's actually a game going on in the stadium there too. I can hear things going on. So yeah, great day out here. The work going on the railway bridge there. It's been going on for a while, I think. And the stadium. And the sun's coming out again. So a little bit of a yacht race going there with the Optimists. Takes me back to my P-class days. All the little kids out there, good on them. Yeah, and here's what's left of that launch deck. There we go, got a bit of dark clouds around the place. Interesting light play there. Yeah, it's nice.